Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel, The Fix It Family. Hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to show you how you can go from this to that. Stay tuned. So we're almost done setting the floor for the barbecue island. As you can see, we have the pavers where the barbecue is going to sit on, or the main structure, and then we're going to expand a little bit to the back, and after that we're going to start building the cage around it. We have finished the framing of our barbecue island. As you can see, we have incorporated a couple of shelves here, and on this other side we have a single shelf on this side, which will be to be finished. We'll move on to our next step, where we're going to paint our frame. Do you like my cup? Check out Lettering with Big on Instagram. I'll leave the description and link below for you to check it out.
I know.
And once again, we have the team paint in action. Go ahead and grab more paint, Isabella, if you need to.
Me solo?
Yeah, a little bit. We're gonna get these frames nicely painted and ready to go.
Here, look.
Good job, guys. Outstanding. Hi everyone. So the day has finally come. We have finished our barbecue island and it's ready to meet some yummy chicken, steak, ribs, you name it. This area we're gonna be, that's right, chilling and grilling. Hi everybody, and with these images we finish our video. If you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share. By the way, it's 115 degrees outside, but that's not gonna stop me from chilling and grilling. Man, this is looking really good. Can't wait. And one last thing, don't forget to check out Lettering with Bic and Blossom and Ink Studio. Link in the description below.